Alright, y'all. I don't know about y'all, but where I'm at, it is snowing like crazy. So what better than a soup for this weather? We are going to be making a sausage and mushroom soup. For this, we have kielbasa sausage. We have an onion. We have some Italian seasoning. We have some sage, some butter, some garlic. I have a mix of mushrooms here, sliced. Doesn't really matter as long as you have 24 ounces of sliced mushrooms. You can use a variety, you can use one type, it's up to you. We also have some chicken broth, some olive oil, some flour, and a little bit of white wine. But before we get to cooking, we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so if you want to learn a new recipe every week, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Let's get to cooking. On a medium-high heat. I'm using a Dutch oven. Go ahead, put a little bit of olive oil in the bottom of that. We're gonna go ahead and drop in our onion. Alright, and now we're gonna cook our onion until it starts to soften up. And you might notice I have some chives in mine as well. I'm using an older onion. But that's fine, that's alright. Now we're gonna take about 2 tablespoons of garlic. Then we're gonna take half a teaspoon of our coriander. Then we're going to take 2 teaspoons of our Italian seasoning. Then we're going to take 2 teaspoons of butter. Then we're going to take 24 ounces of our sliced mushrooms. We're going to go ahead and cook these mushrooms too. You want to stir quite regularly until all of the mushrooms are cooked. Now we're going to add in 1/3 cup of flour. Once you have that flour well mixed up and starting to cook, we're going to take 1 cup of our white wine. We're going to take 32 ounces of chicken broth. Then we've gone ahead and sliced 2 kielbasas. Go ahead and drop those in. Now we're going to go ahead and simmer this for about 20 minutes. At that point, I'll bring you back. Alright, after about 25 minutes of simmering, it will be good to eat. So we're just going to boil some up. Alright, y'all. Now all we got left to do is enjoy it. You can enjoy it with some sourdough bread, which is what I will do. You can enjoy it with some crackers or anything else like that, or by itself. But if you like this video, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button down below. There's a video over here that YouTube thinks you should watch. And until next time, keep on cooking on.